score index by 20 points. So nabawi agad.
Here's Santillan.
We've been seeing that. Yung range ni Santillan lumayo. Yan yung bare minimum mo. Kung malakas ang pag-compete ng kalaban, then you can make certain adjustments. But they understand exactly what...
Mula kay Coach Jamaica rin.
Playmaker siya. Very unselfish pa.
Oh, and Rivero hits the three-point shot. May foul pa kay Clarito.
Bench strength being displayed.
Phoenix naman, may 5 na.
Yun.
Rivero, ang hihirap ng mga tira ni Richie dito. He's got 7 points. Or 8 points, that is.
Ganda ng activity ni Richie Rivero, not just... dun sa defensive alignment ng Phoenix.
And finally, Mamuya gets the score as he finishes through the foul.
So the tempo is pretty much in the liking of the...
Ito na naman ang rain or shine. Docomo with the delivery.
Now you cannot make that mistake. First is you cannot turn the ball over because you're not quick enough to run the break. But this is again another good sign.
Kick out to Manganti. Sean will completely miss. Look at Salado in the land of giants.
Being at the right place and at the right time. Sometimes because of your unselfishness, you will be proved na nga itong rain or shine dahil sa ganitong mga atake. Hindi mo mahabol to. Napakabilis naman lalaraw itong si Docomo. Grabe, oh, tingnan mo to. Scoreless in the first quarter. He did not start. And he has a total of 7.
For an opportunity, Mamuya who miss. Rebound na naman ni Fuller who puts it right back in.
How you talked about the rebounding firepower of Aaron Fuller. Ang bigat din talaga ikalaw nitong si Datu, lalong-lalo na kung ito defender mo. And speaking of Datu, he's just doing it on both ends of the floor. He's playing tough defense against Jason Perkins and is using his height and his heft and his skills, footwork to score against.
Salado dancing with Docomo. Kent Salado ties the game.
Oh, he just took Docomo to school using his...
To Fuller. Beautiful transition attack mula sa rain or shine.
22 points already for Aaron Fuller.
Pinagpag lang yung depensa pero hindi nakuha yung basket. And that is an offensive foul on Soyud. Take a shot, Santillan. Grabs the offensive board. Si Karakot naman hits the 4-pointer. That is huge.
Oh, that was a massive shot. Docomo keeping that ball alive and Karakot hitting his first 4-point shot.
Docomo, foot race. Docomo does it again.
How good is this guy in open court basketball?
Good denial on Chongson, eventually getting it still. Ang ganda nung pasang yun, finding the cutting Fuller.
Understanding the game, knowing exactly where your strengths are. Yun ang pinapakita ng mga malaki. Sa kampeonato, sama-sama tayo, manlalaro, tapos yun na.